week and second notebook for another week. So you have to decide first subject. You have to divide whole notebook in 5 parts because you have the 5 subjects. You are taking the periods of 5 subjects. Okay. So you have to do all exercise, all subjects you have done in the next from when the book and submit on Saturday. You have to exchange whenever you will come to deposit notebook, first notebook, you will receive the another notebook. Okay. Now we have completed to question number 4. Now we are starting question number 5. List all the elements of the following set. A equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. ठीक है, ये सिंपल है, ये आपका सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है. यू हैव टू this is a unlimited element. We cannot write all the elements. We use the dot 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 dot. Earlier we have also used. It means it will be continue. Okay. These are the odd natural numbers. This is the first part. Second part. In second part, they are giving you x is such that x is an integer. X square is less than equal to 4. Here they have mentioned this property less than equal to 4. You have told that x square equal to 4. It means x is equal to plus minus 2. यानी कि ऐसी नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर विल बी 4 दैट विल बी -2 and 4. बोथ द नंबर the square of both the number you will also get the positive square and positive square. So there are x is equal to plus minus 2. If it is equal, it means you can take both the value x square less than equal to 4 or x square equal to 4. So less than 4 include both the values. यानी कि x for 4 यानी कि -2 is here and +2 of set B. So B के elements will -2, -1, 0 and 1 and 2. These are the elements of set B. X is these are the letters. We will not use the letter L. ठीक है. E X is such that X the month of a year, not having days. You have to write the A, B, C, D I have written, but B I have left, I think. B में क्या है? You have to write X is such that an integer -1 upon 2, -1 upon 2, and 0.5 or less than 4.5. So integer you have to take. You are very much aware about the integer. Integer you can take from -5. If you represent on number line पे if you are going to show that it is -1, it is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So -0.5 will be here and 4.5 will be here. In between, what integers are lying between them that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are the integers which are lying between -1 upon 2 and 4. right? But whatever they have given that property, have to use that. Then July and August both have and November. These are the months.
November.
ठीक है? These are the months which are having 30 days. ठीक है? This is the solution of this. Next part है X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. ठीक है? आपको जो K से पहले आते हैं वो लेटर्स लिखने हैं, कंसोनेंट लिखने हैं. तो A तो आपका गूगल में आता है, तो B you can write. After B you can write C,
B,
D, F,
I,
G.
G,
ठीक है? आई तो बेटे उसमें आ जाएगा. ठीक है? G, H, I, J,
K.
B, C, F, J. These are the K. K से पहले. ठीक है? तो you have to use the commas and write the all. This is the question number 5. I am just telling you 1, 2, 3, 6 have the property. It is a divisor of 6. है ना? 2, 3 क्या है? 2, 3 is also a divisor of 6, but it is a prime number. It will be, you can join with part A. 2 seconds. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. The next one is mathematics. Mathematics as a letter of the word of mathematics. No, mathematics के जो letters हैं, we have taken as a set. Whenever we take as a set, we don't write the letters twice or thrice. Third वर्ग fourth part है 1 3 5 7 9. ठीक है? 1 3 5 7 9. What property you are observing here? These are the odd numbers less than 10. So 1 3 5 7 9 are the odd numbers less than 10. So now we have completed the exercise 1.1. So you have to complete on your fair notebook, whatever notebook you are keeping. Because of online courses, we are dividing the notebook in 2 notebooks. You have to solve. Okay. Till then, we are not going to organize the offline classes. Now we are going to the second exercise. There are some terms which we have to use. One is finite set or infinite set, as you know very well earlier, that whenever we have the limited element, suppose 1, 200, this is a finite set. There is a limit. There is a limit of elements, so we can say that is a finite set. If we write in this way, 1, 2, and so on, this is an infinite set. There is no end point. If there is no end point, that will be an infinite set. If there is no end point, okay, we know the end point, then it will be a finite set. Starting our ending point, we know that set is called the finite set. In infinite set, okay, so if we don't know the either starting or ending point, okay, we cannot say how many elements are there. That is known as the infinite set. Equal set में हम जब भी equal कहते हैं जब exactly elements same हो. A, B, C I have written here. Another set we have taken whose elements are B, C, A. And another set I have taken whose elements are A, B, C and D. ठीक है? यहाँ पर we are observing that we are taking the element A, B, C, but order is different in set B. And in D, we have taken the same order according to A, set A. but we have taken the some extra element also, that is D. ठीक है, so here we can say that set A and B are equal set. ठीक है, elements are equal, but in set D the elements are different. D element is different. ठीक है, so this is not the equal set. ठीक है, you can write A equal to B and A is not equal to C. Oh, sorry, D I have written, so D you can say D, or B is not equal to, B is also not equal to D. So equal set, we must have the exactly same element. Order may be different. Order doesn't matter. ठीक है, so in second exercise, this is a very simple exercise. You have to solve, you have to mention only the finite set है or infinite set है. ठीक है, equal set. Just I am taking the first question of this exercise 1.2. अच्छा, एक empty set हो रहा है. Empty set, if there is no element, ठीक है, that is known as the empty set. Empty set, there is no element. We write in this way. ठीक है, one symbol is also being used, that is known as the phi. It represents the empty set. This or this, दोनों में से कोई है. ठीक है, either you can write without no element, एक curly braces, ठीक है, or by phi. This is empty set. So you have to, first of all, the first question they have mentioned, you have to tell it is a finite set, or sorry, it is empty set or not. So first set, first we are going to start first part, the set of all natural number divisible by 2. If we take all odd natural number divisible by 2, ठीक है, तब क्या होगा? That will be empty set. क्योंकि all natural number are not divisible by 2. Set of even prime number is not a empty set. It is not empty set. उसके element क्या होंगे? You have to write the element of the set. Set B you can write even prime number is 2. There is one element को हम क्या कहते हैं? Singleton set. जैसे empty set है, इसका नाम क्या है? Singleton. There is only one element. ठीक है, ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 क्या होती है आपकी? जो प्राइम नंबर भी हो एंड डिविजिबल बाय 2 हो, इवन प्राइम इज ओनली वन नंबर, दैट इज 2. ठीक है, दैट इज ए सिंगल नंबर. फिर नेचुरल नंबर x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. X natural number you have to tell which is less than 5 and greater than 7, but there is no natural number which will be less than 5 as well as greater than 7. ठीक है, less than 5 if you take 3, 4, but it is not greater than 7, so that will be a empty set. Why is that? Why is the point common to any two parallel lines? Two parallel lines, generally we take the parallel lines which are the line of your number or on your notebook line, these parallel lines, but no point is common between these two lines. Okay, so this is also an empty set. After that we have which of the following set are finite or infinite. The set of months of a year. The set of months of a year, this is limited. There are 12 months. It is a finite set. 1, 2, 3 and dot 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 dot. They have mentioned that I have mentioned 1, 2, 3. And it is an infinite set. 1, 2 से लेके 100 तक है. This is I have also mentioned. 1 to 100 it is a finite set. After that, the set of all positive integers greater than 100. So set of all positive number greater than 100 होगा. So that will be start from 101 102, 103, and so on. But there will not be end point. The starting point we have, but no end point. Then it will be also a infinite set. The set of prime numbers less than 99. So prime numbers less than 99, this is a finite set. Prime number we are considering from, we considering natural number. So prime number we start from 2. So there is starting point. You can start 2, 3, 5, and 7 up to 99. जो भी numbers हैं prime numbers, we have to write all that. ठीक है. तो इसमें पहले आप क्या करेंगे? You will just give the example. जैसे आपका फर्स्ट, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर मेंशन किया, in prime number there is only one element, that is a single set. You have to write the element of the set first. Then you have to apply it is a finite or infinite. If it be a finite set, so there will be some starting point and end point. If there is no end point or no starting point, that will be infinite set. So you have to write first the element of the set, then you have to reply it is finite or infinite. You have not to give the directly answer. This is the second question. Now we are going to the third question. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. ठीक है, सेम इसी यही क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर चेंज हो गया है. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. ठीक है. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. देखो x-axis के parallel हो, so how many lines you can draw? Infinite. You can give the reason. Parallel to x-axis, we can draw infinite line. ठीक है. आप उसके सामने आप बना के भी दिखा सकते हैं. ये हमने 2-3 लाइन आप ड्रॉ कर दोगे, उसके बाद यू कैन गिव द आंसर. क्या इस x-axis है, ये फर्स्ट लाइन है L1, L2, L3. तो क्या आंसर होगा? पैरेलल टू x-axis जो सेट का नाम दिया हुआ है, these line will be L1, L2, L3 and so on. Infinite line. ठीक है. In the way you have to explain that why it is infinite. ठीक है. We cannot write all the elements, we cannot draw the all lines, but we can draw limited line and we put the dotted line point. It means it will be continuous. The second, the set of letters in the English alphabet, it is a limited element. So you can write, in English alphabet, maybe are taking the alphabet letters A, B, C, D. कहाँ पे लेना है आपको? Z पे लेना है. It is a limited element. There is some starting point and ending point. So it will be a finite. फिर third part है the set of number which are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 में you can take multiple of 5 में 5, 10, 15 and so on. There is no end point. Multiple of 5 will not be end. It will be continuous process. ठीक है. So you can write all the elements. You cannot write all the elements. So it is infinite. Then after that is a set of animals living on the earth. ठीक है. Set of animals at present any movement may you can, but it is very difficult to every moment we are feeling that the growth is continue. It is a biological matter. ठीक है. The growth is ठीक है. To say that it is a finite or infinite, but we are observing, suppose we are saying that it is a limited element, then we can say finite. If at a moment it is infinite, it may be infinite also. It is a biological matter. Both will be, I think, all correct answer. The set of circle passing through the origin 0, 0. किसी भी पॉइंट से पास होने वाले तो ओरिजिन से पास होने वाले द नंबर ऑफ सर्कल विल बी आल्सो इनफाइनाइट। यू विल पास, सपोज एक सर्कल ये पास हो गया, यू कैन पास अनदर सर्कल इन दिस वे, another circle in this shape. So there are circles C1, C2 and C3. There is no end point. The number of circles are C1, C2 and C3. ठीक है? Oh, sorry. Dot dot dot. There will be infinite. So it will be infinite. ठीक है? तो इस तरीके से हमने ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किया है। फिर कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फिर है उसके बाद बेटा ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या है, फॉलोइंग स्टेट वेदर ए इक्वल टू बी और नॉट। आपको ये बताना है कि ए इक्वल बी है या नहीं। So you have to check the element of set A is ABCD and set B DCBA. The elements are same, but the order is different. Doesn't matter. ठीक है, element should be same. So it is a equal set. In second part, 4, 8, 12, 16. Here 8, 4, 16, 18. These are not equal. क्यों equal है? क्योंकि set A में जो lie कर रहा है that is 12, but 12 does not lie B. तो आपको ये प्रूव करना है A नॉट इक्वल टू बी। तो हमें ये दिखाना होगा A इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी। वाई? बिकॉज 12 बिलोंग्स टू A बट 12 डज नॉट बिलोंग टू B। हमें सिर्फ ये दिखाना है कि कोई एक एलिमेंट ऐसा है जो A के अंदर है वो B के अंदर नहीं है। ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, वो इक्वल सेट नहीं है, या बी के अंदर हो वो ए के अंदर नहीं है। तो हमें एक एग्जांपल ऐसा देना है फॉल्स प्रूफ करने के लिए कि भाई इसलिए हमने इसको फॉल्स दिखा। फिर है आपका थर्ड पार्ट है एस 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 एस इज ए पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर एंड लेस देन इक्वल टू 10। तो पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर है ना। मेथड इज डिफरेंट ऑफ राइटिंग बट द elements are same 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements, ठीक है, which they have mentioned in the second part as the positive even integer and less than 10. So they have given they have taken the positive integer less than 10. फिर इसके बाद 10, 50 ये हो गया 10 मल्टीपल ऑफ 10। मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 है, दूसरे वाले में मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 नहीं आ रहा है, दूसरे वाले में मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 आ रहा है। तो सेट ए क्या है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 10, सेट बी क्या है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 5। तो दीज आर नॉट द इक्वल सेट। ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक हमने आपको जो है ना कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अभी आपके जो दो क्वेश्चन रहते हैं 5th और 6th, इसको हम जो है ना कल डिस्कस कर लेंगे। अभी आप ये बताइए इसमें कोई डाउट है आपको जो समझ में नहीं आया है वो आप पूछ सकते हो। ठीक है, हेलो हेलो संजय सर।